Welcome to your health facts. Today we're going to be talking about the potential health benefits of water fasting. And we're going to be looking at the experiences and insights of Dr. Nick Zerowski.
Okay.
So he's been incorporating 3-day water fasts
Mm.
into his routine for over a decade now.
Wow.
And he found several potential benefits. One of them is improved cardiovascular health. Also, metabolic health. So that would be things like lower cholesterol, blood pressure, and improved insulin sensitivity.
Right.
There's even evidence suggesting that fasting can play a role in cancer prevention.
Interesting.
Yeah, through a process called autophagy. And this process allows your body to clean up damaged cells.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. He also emphasizes the shift from sugar burning to fat burning as a key benefit for those aiming for fat loss and muscle maintenance.
That makes sense. Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
So fasting can act as like a reset button,
Yeah.
breaking addictions to sugar, processed foods, caffeine, all those unhealthy habits. Dr. Zarowski has experienced this himself. He notes a sense of well-being and relief from various symptoms just through regular fasting.
Wow. So that's pretty interesting.
But before you jump into a water fast, a week of preparation is really important,
Okay.
to minimize discomfort. This involves eliminating sugar, except for low glycemic fruits,
Oh, okay.
like berries,
Gotcha.
and gradually reducing caffeine intake.
So you don't go cold turkey.
You don't want to shock your system.
Right.
And you also need to make sure you're getting enough electrolytes during the fast.
Yeah. Why is that?
It's crucial to prevent fatigue and headaches.
Okay. So that makes sense.
Yeah.
So during that initial transition to fat burning, some people experience, what they call the keto flu.
Oh, yeah.
Have you heard of that?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So it can manifest as fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. But it can be helped by using exogenous ketones, which are basically supplements that give your body an alternative fuel source. Yeah. And on the first day of the fast, you can expect to experience some mental and physical hunger pangs.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Which are mainly driven by, just habit and those survival mechanisms.
Right. Your body's not used to it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
So on day 3, you want to keep the exercise pretty light,
Okay.
still focusing on healing.
Right.
And, electrolytes are still super important.
Okay, so still got to keep up with those.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Breaking the fast on day 3 is really important, too.
I bet.
You don't want to just jump back into eating anything.
Right.
Dr. Zerowski recommends some probiotic-rich foods,
Like what?
like sauerkraut, kimchi,
Okay, yeah.
fermented pickles.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, it helps replenish your gut microbiome, which, is really important for digestion and overall health.
Right.
It's also important to, ease back into eating.
Yeah, makes sense.
So, try some easily digestible foods, like a bone broth stew or, some steamed vegetables.
Okay, yeah.
Those sound good.
Yeah, keep the first meal light
Okay.
and then gradually return to a regular eating pattern,
Okay.
3 meals a day.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So you mentioned Dr. Zerowski. What was his personal experience like with his recent 3-day water fast?
Oh, yeah. So initially he reported, feeling kind of sluggish, low energy, a little bit of brain fog,
Mm-hmm.
kind of had a poor mood,
Yeah.
and some aches and pains.
So, not great?
No, not ideal.
Right.
But after he finished the fast, he actually experienced some really significant positive changes.
Really?
Yeah.
Like what?
So, his inflammation and pain went down,
Wow.
considerably. He had better mental clarity,
Okay.
more energy.
Got it.
His mood improved a lot.
That's great.
Yeah, it was pretty amazing.
So it sounds like overall it was a positive experience for him.
Definitely.
Yeah. He also noticed some improvement in his hormonal balance.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. Specifically with testosterone levels.
Huh.
Yeah. And these benefits actually lasted for several weeks.
Wow.
So, it shows you the potential long-term impact of fasting.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive.
He recommends for, optimal health and well-being, aiming for a 3-day water fast once a month.
Okay.
But, it does take discipline.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah, but he really believes in it.
Hmm.
He thinks it has the potential to, help prevent chronic diseases.
Right.
And just overall enhance your vitality.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that was a really fascinating look into the world of water fasting,
Yeah, it's pretty amazing stuff.
definitely. And, it sounds like Dr. Zurowski has seen some really incredible benefits.
Absolutely.
And, I think it's something that a lot of people could benefit from, but obviously, talk to your doctor before you try anything like this.
Yeah, for sure.
We hope you found this information helpful. And if you want to learn more about health and wellness, make sure to subscribe to yourhealthfacts.com.
Yeah, we've got tons of great stuff over there.
All right, well, that's it for today.
Thanks for listening.
Take care.